Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the car is a turbo WRX and you have a safe workspace. Jack stands and gloves matter. Once done, disconnect the battery and relieve boost so you don't spray oil. Make sure to remove the intake elbow and unbolt the recirculation/diverter valve housing next. That gives direct access to the valve internals. You'll find a spring and piston. Take pictures for reassembly. Now prepare the restrictor or stiffer spring you plan to install next. You'll continue by replacing the spring or adding a restrictor plate inside the valve. This creates the intentional flutter by delaying full recirculation. While assembling, align seals and use a light film of clean oil on the piston. This prevents scoring. Once assembled, torque bolts to factory spec and reinstall the intake elbow. Then fit a boost gauge and enable OBD logging so you can watch boost spikes and AFRs. That data tells you whether the modification behaves. You finish by performing controlled road tests. Start with light throttle pulls and watch boost and AFR on the logger. Once done, gradually increase load to achieve the desired flutter without detonation. Make sure to recheck hose clamps and listen for leaks. If the flutter is too aggressive, back off by swapping to a milder spring or removing the restrictor one step at a time. If you see knock, rising EGTs, or codes, stop and restore stock hardware. Safety first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.